guys, good morning! Today pupunta kami ng Helsinki tsaka Tampere. Ito yung pinakamahaba naming biyahe dito sa Finland. So mga 6 hours ata yung biyahe niyan. So ayan, sumama kami.
66 kilometers.
Grabe guys. Para tayo na sa stop over muna kami guys, pero malayo pa kami sa katotohanan. Ganda ng view. Nagbaon kami ng sandwich kasi hindi pa kami nag-breakfast. So dito sa Finland, talagang laging may designated na parang stopover. Ganito. So tindahan pala siya guys ng mga cheese. So tapos meron ding gas station. Ayan. Pwede kong bumili ng mga snacks. Ayan, daming cheese. Ayan. Ang daming cheese guys. Ito yung traditional cheese nila dito. Leipajus to. Sarap nito. Love ko iniinit. Tikman natin yung cheese. Sarap. Uy, ang gula. Free taste. More. Heaven kay Kevin kasi gusto niya yung cheese eh. Lahat pala ng cheese guys, may mga free taste. Ang galing nito. Dami. Lunch muna kami. Dito na kami sa Yuva School Lab. Ito yung baon namin. Baon kami sa tsaka chicken. Tapos may tirang kanin. Kagabi tsaka egg. After almost 7 hours, nandito na kami sa Tampere. Welcome to Tampere guys. Oh, autumn na talaga. Right here in the middle of Tampere is Tammerkoski, the rapids that gave the city its life. This river connects Lake Näsijärvi up north with Lake Pyhäjärvi in the south, and it drops about 18 meters along the way. Back in the 1800s, these rapids were the perfect source of power for factories. That's why you see all these historic red brick buildings. They used to be cotton mills, paper mills, and machine workshops. Basically, Tammerkoski turned Tampere into Finland's first real industrial city. Today, the rapids are still a big part of the city's identity. Instead of factories, many of the old buildings are now restaurants, museums, and cultural spaces. So yeah, Tammerkoski isn't just a river. It's the reason Tampere exists, and it still feels like the heartbeat of the city. So after this, we walked for a few minutes and found Tampere Cathedral. This church was built between 1902 and 1907, designed by the Finnish architect Lars Sonck. At first, it was called St. John's Church, but in 1923, it officially became the cathedral for the Diocese of Tampere. The building is made of rough gray granite, which is super typical of the National Romantic style. Kind of like Finland's own version of Art Nouveau. It's meant to feel very connected to nature and Finnish identity. Actually, we were not lucky to get a glimpse of the interior or the inside of the church since there was a wedding when we visited. So we will surely come back here again. So if you're ever in Tampere, make sure to stop by the cathedral. Even if you're not into churches, it's worth a visit for the art, the atmosphere, and just to see how much it reflects Finnish identity. So we're here now at Keskustori, the main square in the heart of Tampere. It's kind of the city's living room, a place where locals meet, shop, and just hang out. The square is surrounded by important buildings like the City Hall, and you'll see plenty of cafes, shops, including Marimekko, and of course, restaurants. It's a hub for city life and a great spot to feel the local vibe. So if you're exploring Tampere, Keskustori is the perfect place to start, people watch, or just soak up the city energy. And yeah, welcome to Tampere Market Hall or Kaupahali. This is the largest indoor market hall in the Nordic countries, and it's been around since 1901. Here, you'll find everything from fresh fish, meats, cheeses, and baked goods to international foods. It's basically Tampere's kitchen. Locals still shop here every day. And of course, this is a great place to try local Finnish treats. You can grab fresh rye bread, salmon, and even Tampere's specialty, musta makara or blood sausage, usually served with lingonberry. Don't knock it till you try it. So, if you're in Tampere and want to experience authentic local food and culture, Kaupahali is a must visit. So another thing you have to try when you're in Tampere is the Punikin Monkey. Normally, people go up to the Punikin Observation Tower for these famous donuts, but lucky for us, you can also get them right here in the market hall. These are legendary in Finland. They're sugar coated, soft on the inside, and always fresh. And if you pair it with a coffee, you've got the ultimate Finnish fika moment. Hindi ka masarap siya. Ay, malambot siya, mahal. Fluffy. Masarap.
Kapal lang, hydrate yan. Ito
Ito nga konti. Kakaibang munggo. Shakoy. Shakoy lang daw to sa Pilipinas. Hi guys, ito kami sa Asian Market. Hanap tayo ng bagoong. Ay, malaki yung Asian Market nila dito guys. Mukhang maraming variety. Sana merong bagoong. Kasi wala kami bagoong yung nakaraan. Punta kami sa Asian Market. Nakalimutan na bumili ng bagoong guys. So hanap tayo ngayon. May mga pang sweet spaghetti. Ay, ito pala. Tiny shrimp. Bagoong. Mahal ito! Ito may bagoong. Tapos may mga pang ano din na. Halo.
Dito ba ito?
Titos. Bago vlog yan. Ayan. Oh. Mga Pilipino sa Tampere.
Dugay mo dahil, dugay.
Dugay na madali yan, be? Diri mo na po yun. Ay, nauna siya. Kakasunod lang namin this year. Oh, yung mga dating tumatagay, nagpapalit na lang ng diaper ngayon. Okay. Okay.
And your room is...
Check in kami, guys.
I-close mo na.
Okay. Okay, welcome to our room for 2 nights and 3 days. Oh, ang daming ang daming kama na. Doon kami sarili kang kama. Uy, may balcony tayo. And ang view ay... Ten-ten-ten-ten. Natin ko ng view. Wow. Wow, nak. Don't play din yung ano nila. Ito ang view natin. Ay, not bad. Not bad. Maganda rin naman yung view. Though may parking lot, ito yung isa pang hotel. Ayan. So, andito yung CR. Hi! Okay na yun. Ayan. This is the CR, guys. May shower. And, ayan. So, nandito yung mga menu nila. Bed? May sarili ka ng bed?